What you got, girl? You got a baby? Wow, we've been checking on you for days for him to come, haven't we? Yeah, we've waited days for that. And it's a little heifer calf. Bull would have been better, but never mind. Yeah. Yeah, isn't she a beauty?